Well, we're back, and if you have noticed the change of lighting, is because I switched off the big light that I was using because it was getting really hot. That generates a lot of heat. But let's continue. So here we have the milk tanker, and it's a really nice little tanker. Detail on this is actually pretty good. If you can rack off a lot of these, then you could have a pretty decent tanker train that your engines could pull. And on this one, as you can see, it's printed. I don't know if you can see that, but it says tin of milk. I don't think they actually had a tin of dairy, or what is it, dairy? Well, I will get that word correct sometimes, but yeah, this milk tanker is actually a pretty nice detailed little four-wheeled rolling stock. There's not a lot to say about it, so let's just put that aside and take a look at the cattle trucks, which is right here. And this one is also real nice. I think the first episode we saw this cattle wagon was in Cows from season 2. As you can see, where you see Edward Poole's, I think 10 of these. I think it was. Maybe I think I'll have to watch that episode again and count the numbers of cattle wagons that Edwards pull. So, but yeah, these are really nice. They are used for carrying livestock like cows, bulls, and sheep and all that. Sorry, sheep it is. You know, farm animals and that. But yeah, this one is really nice. And we're back. Sorry about that. I just had a memo about the memory card in this camera. It had only 4 minutes left, so I had to delete some of it. But I won't worry about that now because I have all transferred it all over to my computer. So yeah, let's continue where we left off. The cattle wagon. As I said, really nice. It's a nice little goods wagon. If you can collect a lot of these, you can make a really big train with it, and have your engines pull these. Maybe have some small farm animal specials and all that, carrying animals around your layout. I don't know if I will be doing that, but I will collect a lot more goods wagons. What I will do is I will try to recreate the Flying Kipper episode in model form, because I have Bachman Henry. So yeah, enough about that. Let's put that aside, and then let us take a look at at the season 1 truck. Now what I mean with season 1 is, as you can see, it's just have his eyes and mouth painted on. This is what all the trucks in season 1 look like. Well, not exactly, because this one has a smiley face, and the trucks in season 1 were really grumpy. These are first introduced in Thomas and the Trucks, where Thomas is first allowed to pull freight cars. Well, that's what these are called in the US. So excuse me if I switch the word a little bit around by saying trucks or freight cars. But again, this one is also really nicely done, and it gives you the option to fill it up with coal, maybe some crates. Sand, quarry stones, a lot of options for these one. If you can collect a lot of these, you can have a really long goods train running around. I might do that, collect more of well, maybe not this one in particular, but collect other trucks like this one. So put that aside. Now we get to the really nice part of this set, and that is the main characters. Well, technically the main character. So first let's pop up Clarabelle. Now she has the smiley face that she is famous for. Well, in the recent series of seasons of Thomas and Friends, neither Annie and Clarabelle have had speaking roles. They haven't had a speaking role since season 11, I think. Now, rumor has it that these coaches has been giving the voice actor. I don't exactly remember her name right now, but you know the voice is that is Emily and all the female characters, I think. Well, now that season 16 is over, these still haven't been given a speaking role. I hope in season 17 that they will be giving a speaking role. If Hit Entertainment actually sees reasons for them to have a speaking role, because Annie and Clarabelle are more than just coaches. I remember back in season 1 where they were just pulled by Thomas, so along his branch lines, and they will try to give him advice and such. But yeah, again, Clarabelle is actually a nice character. She is introduced in both she and Annie are introduced in Thomas and the Breakdown Train, where Thomas is giving his branch line for the first time after rescuing James from his accident. But then again, this coach is actually pretty nice. It's not TV series accurate, and it's not railways here is accurate, but it's a very nice coach. And unlike the Bachmann Annie and Clarabelle, and I do mean the HO scale and the G scale, the roof can't come off these. And yes, to those who don't think the HO scale aka Bachmann, Annie and Clarabelle's roofs can't come off, you are sadly mistaken. It's not only the G scale that can come off. And if you don't believe me, I can show you.